My name is Akimin Diaz Vergara. I will make a presentation of the work Tech for Speak, Tech Forum and Practice Session. Vacation. The last vacation of was in Armenia, in the coffee park, with my family, my parents, my son. I tried the gastronomy of the area. I live cleaned all the attraction on the wife and hair Cathedral of Buga, Trips Life and Wave, the price and the entrance of the park have below the $20. The most expensive was the log in the seaside. The place that in the like the most there was Armenia for its lime caves in gastronomy, the coffee, street, hive, the plus the travel. Uh, Mythology figures. Excellent mythology figures through the park make the visit place. My wife enjoyed the tour. Attractions. The fun attractions make the park an extreme place to visit. Um, the crater is one the most extreme, and the jeep, the waiter. The waiter is very good. It is sun and is not hot. And the coffee passion, the heat, the grad, scented, the land space, and the mountain. Food. Food is delicious. The most typical is tripe, the coffee. There are also times of the archive, the mic, and sweet, the dike. Thank you and very much.